Hey guys, this is Rehan back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take video from your car dashboard using a smartphone. To take video from the car, first you need a smartphone holder, and I'm going to show you the best smartphone holder which I have came across to record videos from the car that act as a purpose to hold your smartphone for GPS as well as to capture the video. The smartphone holder which we are going to see in this video is ZAAP. ZAAP has three generations. So what I bought is the first generation. The second and third generation have magnetic, but it doesn't have the extensible rod, which is very useful in taking the videos. Okay, so better go for the first generation and not the second and third. Okay, one of the main advantages of the ZAAP is the vacuum sticker, which is very durable. Even you can wash it and you can able to restuck into the dashboard or anywhere you want. ZAAP has three screws. One is used to change the angle of the arm. Second is used to change the length of the arm. Third, this is used to change the orientation of your mobile phone from portrait to landscape and vice versa. And that's how you need to set up the holder. Now let's go to the car and we will see how to fit into the car and take a sample videos, and we will see how the sample video looks. Okay guys, now we have brought our ZAAP stand into our car and I'll show you how to fix it in the car. All vertical. Okay, now we will fix it. So to fix this you need to remove this cover. Make sure when you get the stand, make sure it is come with this seal. If it didn't come with seal, then it is a used product. Okay, so we will remove it like this and we will fix it in my dashboard like this. Okay guys, now you need to fix it like this. Press it firmly, then you need to press this switch. Okay, now just check whether it shakes or not. Okay, now this is the stand and this is how it stands. This is how it's there. Okay, now I'll show you how it looks from my car, from my first person view. So this is how it looks. Okay, now you can either change it to this angle or this angle. Okay, now let's fit my mobile. So it's very easy to use. I just need to keep it like this, and you need to press these two buttons on the side to open the stand, and you need to keep it like this. Okay, so it's actually hitting my windshield. So what we will do is we'll just adjust this telescopic arm. We'll just loosen this and we'll keep it in the angle which we want, and we will tighten it up again. And you need to also tighten this back screw in landscape mode. If you want to take the video in landscape mode, you can keep it like this and tighten it. That's all guys. So this is how it looks, and let's see how it looks when we open the camera. So this is how it looks when we open the camera. If you guys feel that it is slightly disturbing, you guys can adjust as per your car dashboard. Okay, so that's how you need to set up your mobile phone for taking car videos. So if you are interested to buy this stand, I have given the link in the description below. Okay, so this is how you need to take a landscape video, and if you want to take a portrait video, just loosen the screw in the back and keep it like this and take. Obviously portrait video that will be used only for Instagram and Facebook, but if you guys are interested for that. But if you guys want to take landscape video, for which we use for YouTube and all, so it's better to take landscape video along. Okay, so I have fitted my camera, and also one more advantage of this stand is yeah, you can able to adjust this bottom part so that you can able to connect your car charger to the phone, so it will charge and take video at the same time. Okay, I'll show you how it's connected to my charger. So if you guys follow the wire, and I have a car charger over here, so I have connected this car charger to this Wi-Fi cable, to this cable, to this phone, so it will charge the phone, and it will be simultaneously taking the video. Okay, we'll test it out and I will show you the sample video. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video, and this is how you need to take videos from the car and take time lapses when you're going for a long ride in a car using your smartphone. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, give a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.